Hello, I am Ho Hei-yu Mandy. I am a student in the Associate Degree in Construction Engineering and Management in City University of Hong Kong. This is my digital story, and I would like to introduce my life of CEM in this video. At the beginning of this semester, we had a day camp to know more each other. There were some group games for us, such as water balloon and build up a beach by newspaper in the camp. We really had fun in this day. There are many sites for us to visit, and it can enhance our knowledge in construction. My first site visit was in Central, which were during the works about diaphragm wall. This is the first time that I can see the machines that I learned from the book. The most impressive lesson is IC training, which is in PolyU. This lesson is very practical, and I can practice what I learned in the book, such as concrete, steel, falsework and formwork, brickwork and plastering, NDT, and anchoring. I really learned a lot in this training. I also joined the study tour in this year. I went to Shanghai and Nanjing. It is happy that I can visit the Shanghai Expo 2010. It really widens my horizons. There are many themes, pavilions, and every of them have different topics which can let me know more the new technology in construction. We also visit the redevelopment projects in Shanghai and Nanjing. It can give us a reference of the redevelopment in Hong Kong. All in all, I learned a lot in this year. Thank you.